The best lobster garlic noodles. Cook some pasta in salted water. Once it's cooked, drain it and keep some of that pasta water. Drizzle some olive oil on top so the noodles don't stick together. Grab some scissors and cut down the center of the lobster tail and remove any vein or dirt easy. Then boil the lobster tail in hot water. It's about a minute of boiling time for every ounce of lobster tail. Mine was about 6 ounces, so 6 minutes of boiling time. After boiling, put the tails in an ice bath. Once it's totally cooled, remove the meat and cut it into 1-inch pieces. For the sauce, mix together brown sugar, oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, and chili garlic sauce. With some olive oil and butter, saute some minced garlic and shiitake mushrooms. Cook until the mushrooms start to soften, about 2 minutes. Then add the shrimp and spinach. Add in some reserved pasta water to help steam the spinach leaves. Pour in the sauce, lobster, noodles, and grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it up, then garnish with a little bit more cheese and lemon juice.